So I've just downloaded Node.js and now you are hearing terms like npm, npx, and you are wondering what's the difference between them. Hello guys, my name is Fanson Diki. Welcome back to Mofrax Media, and today I'm going to show you guys the difference between Node.js, Node Package Manager, and Node Package Execute in a simplest but professional way, such that even if you are new in programming, you'll get it. Okay, let's start with Node.js. So Node.js is a JavaScript extension that allows you to run JavaScript locally in your computer. What does this mean? So before the invention of Node.js, JavaScript actually worked only in web browsers like Chrome and Firefox. Applications were built front-end using JavaScript, then the back-end you had to depend on other library languages like PHP and SQL to make the backend. But now JS enables you to connect the front end, your user interface, to the API backend. Okay, and that's Node.js. Let's move on to Node Package Manager (npm). So after creating a virtual environment, you need to update it, delete it, or delete the version, then update the new version. That's where npm comes in. So in case a new package or library has been released by Node.js, the updates are done using npm or Node Package Manager. Okay, that's the easiest and simplest explanation for Node Package Manager. So Node Package Execute or npx. So npx actually it's used for retrieving node packages, so you don't need to install them globally. So after installing Node.js on your application, updates are done using npm. Then for your project to run a package from Node.js, it uses npx. So npx is usually used to retrieve the packages onto your project. Okay, that's the easiest explanation for npx. So npx used for retrieving packages from Node.js, npm used to update, delete, and manage Node.js. The Node.js is the virtual environment where JavaScript runs locally on your computer. It's usually so simple, but it took me almost 2 years to understand these differences. So by that being said, I would like to inform you that I'll be uploading videos every Friday. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscription button for the upcoming videos. Also, if you are facing issues, you try to deploy your application to Firebase, then the images are not showing up, click on this thumbnail to learn more. And also, if you are facing issues with improper Visual Studio Code installation, npm not working, click on this other thumbnail to learn more. So thank you for watching. We'll meet on that next video.